Alright, hey you guys, vintage electronics people out there. Just got this in yesterday. It's a 60s Zenith 16-inch black and white TV. It's not too bad. I've already got it apart, but I got some issues in here inside. The CRT brackets broke around the inside of this plate, so I got to kind of address that. There's part of the knobs broke there. My camera doesn't focus very well anymore, does it? Anyway, so the main issue with this thing is it's definitely got bad capacitors. I'm going to plug it in here for you real quick, show you a quick demonstration. It's already turned on. The on and off switch is here on side of the UHF channel. This is your VHF, that's your UHF. The volume knob and the on and off is here. But I'm not going to let it run very long because it definitely needs a capacitor, or maybe two. So let's see, hear the hum. That's it. That's what we get. So yeah, vertical deflection's poor, horizontal's poor. It shows up brighter. I got the bright control turned way down, but yeah, so we got to get that addressed. I got the back off of it here. What would be the best for this television would be a full recap, but right now I'm going to address the main problem, which would be most likely the main filter. Our rectifiers are back right here on this one. They're right there, if you can see them. That back there is the main filter capacitor. It's right there. I'm going to have fun getting in there to find the value. I got to find the schematic, but if you also look at the side of this capacitor, you can see it's leaking. See the chemical crust on the outside of it there? So yeah, also this television has been in a damp environment. Look at the rust. Look at the rust. Absolutely look at the rust. And that does a number on capacitors as well. There's a chance this one's got some sections. This is like a 4-section there. There might be some issues with that one. Right now, my main suspect is that big one back there. That's the main filter. The wire comes right around here to the rectifier bridge. Right there. So that's my main suspect. So I'm going to go after that one first. Probably do some more on that one. I'll open up the high voltage can later. It's like I said, it's rusty. I want to clean this thing up some more. I'll give you a quick view of the underside real fast. And just typical Zenith point-to-point connections. Let's see, it looks like it still has, yeah it does, still has the original selenium dual diode there, rectifier on the horizontal phase detection. So it still has the phase detector diode. When I get the set working again, if that's not a problem, I'm not going to worry about it. But, you know, those have a high failure rate, along with those beside it. Right there. It look like dual capacitors, but they're not. So, but overall, it's not too bad. This thing definitely needs some TLC. It's not too bad. So I'm going to have to clean it up and do a little work on it. And like I said, these brackets, because someone, if you can see there's a zip tie. And that one over there is completely broke away. So I don't know if this television's been dropped or what, but CRT brackets broke away from the plastic there. So the CRT's, it wobbles. It's only being held on by a zip tie and one more there. The bottom, these two brackets over here are broke. So I had to address that too. So there's the CRT number. What is that, a 16BXP4? So it's a 16-inch. All right, there you go, guys. Vintage Zenith television. I'm going to get to it, get on it, and see if we can get her going. I'll make another video when I'm finished with it. Thanks for watching, guys.